How to change PayPal account address to another country. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your PayPal account on your browser or on your mobile applications. From there, you will then be taken to your wallet right here, and you simply want to click on the gear icon. It will then take us to the account settings, and inside you have your sensitive data right here, which includes your address and more. Now inside, if you go ahead and scroll down, you simply can go ahead and see your addresses from this page right here. You simply want to click on the add button, or if you want to go ahead and disconnect your main address, you can just click on the three lines on that specific address or three dots, and right after you can then go ahead and click on edit. From there, you will be able to change it to whatever you want to. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.